In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event in Google Analytics 4. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to track specific user interactions on a website. Now, whether you're an experienced analyst or a beginner, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Analytics account. Once you're in, what you'll want to do is navigate over to the Admin section. This can be found at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the gear icon, just in case you're having trouble locating it. In this Admin panel, you'll see three columns: Account, Property, and View. We're going to focus on the middle column, Property. It's here that we can make the adjustments needed for events. Okay, so look under the Property column, and you'll see a section labeled Events. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is open a space where all your event data is managed. Now, we'll get into the exciting part: creating a new event. Near the top right corner, you should find a button labeled Plus Create Event. Click on this, and it will open a new window. So why is event creation so crucial? Well, events in Google Analytics 4 are used to track user interactions on your site, such as clicks, downloads, or video plays. They give you invaluable insights into user behavior, which can help you make informed decisions about your site's design and functionality. It's like having a pulse on how your audience is engaging with your content. Now, back to the window that you've opened. Here, you'll need to provide certain details to define your event. This includes specifying what kind of interactions you want to track. Think about what metrics will be most valuable for your goals. For instance, if you wish to know how many people are clicking a particular button, you'd set up an event to track that button click. As you're filling out the fields, make sure to double-check the criteria. Each event can have conditions, so specify these according to your site's needs. Once you've input all the necessary information, review it to ensure everything looks correct. Now that you're ready, you'll find a button for Save or Create at the bottom of your window. Click it, and there you go. You have successfully created an event in Google Analytics 4. Before wrapping up, let me share a tip. Regularly review your events to refine your tracking strategy. Over time, you might find that certain events are more or less useful than you initially thought. Adjusting your events can lead to improved insights and better decision-making. And that's it. You now know how to create an event in Google Analytics 4. Feel free to go back over any parts of this video if needed, and happy tracking.